Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is the TK homogenizer. It's a Japanese manufacturer, 5 horsepower. It's designed to be enclosed in some type of pressure or vacuum vessel. You see it has a mechanical seal operating there. Hence the reason it's operating without a deflector plate. Normally you would have it in most open settings, but here if the vessel is under pressure or vacuum, like this one can be, give it a look at it right there. It's a standard, I believe a 13.5-inch companion flange with the mechanical seal assembly. All stainless steel weighted parts and some of the construction as well. Has a Baldor 5 horsepower drive. We have a few of these from TK in stock. They're beautifully made equipment. Great job, Japanese craftsmanship. So we hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.